Raffy Drawings.
Hi kids, and welcome to the Raffy Drawing channel. Today we are going to draw and color fruits.
Wow!
Before we start, like the video and subscribe to the channel. Let's start drawing. Let's start to draw an apple. Then I draw a cute face like this. And a smiling mouth with a tongue out. Now I'm going to draw a banana. Then I draw two cute eyes. And a smiling mouth. Now I draw an orange. I draw two cute eyes again. And a smiling mouth wide open. Then I draw a pear. I draw two cute eyes. And a smiling mouth. Now let's draw a slice of watermelon. Two eyes again. And a smiling mouth with the tongue out. Finally, I draw some grapes. I draw a cute face again. Excellent! Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. I use red for the apple. Pink for its snout, brown for the stem, and green for its leaf. For the banana, I use two shades of yellow. I color the orange with this orange marker. For its mouth, I use red and pink. Its stem is going to be brown and green for its leaf. I use green to color the pear. Pink for its mouth. Stem is going to be brown and dark green for its leaf. Then I color the watermelon with this red marker. Pink for its mouth. Then I use 2 shades of green. For the grapes, I use purple. I color its stem with brown, and I use green for the leaf. I like this! Raffy the dinosaur needs you. Like the video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you in the next video!